Hello and welcome to the video. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to make an account on deepseek.com. For that, you need to click on this deepseek.com and click on the start button. After that, you just need the email or your phone number. I have already made the demo Gmail for this, so I can log in with the Gmail account. Now select the account, continue. And that's all. This is one of the easiest method to just create your account on deepseek.com. And if you guys have any kind of queries, any kind of questions, you guys can just ask in question answer section. I will just try to respond to them as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to share the ideas with you guys, what type of content, what types of things you can do with Deepseek software. So I have made a presentation and share some ideas with you guys. First idea is regarding education industry, how student can use Deepseek effectively, studying for exams, solving math and science queries and other queries if needed, how they can plan their education abroad if needed, and also it will be help in career counseling and motivations, and also a lot of things you guys can do. Number 2 is the personal life, how Deepseek can be beneficial in your personal life. You can make a food and diet planning. Also, you can make health and fitness goals using Deepseek. You can also make planning memorable travel destination for vlogs. Also, enhancing creativity with storytelling and writing and many more. Number 3 is Deepseek regarding business, how you can improve your business with Deepseek. For example, you can use Deepseek as your AI business coach, marketing and promoting your business efficiency, conducting market research and competitors analysis, managing customer feedback, preparing for job interviews and career growth, and many more. Number 4, Deepseek for developers. How developers can use Deepseek to boost their work efficiency. For example, they can generate ideas for game and mechanics and storytelling if they are game developers. How software developers planning features, user flows, and monetization models. And for website developers, they can build website layouts and app layouts, and they can also boost their work efficiency. This will save a lot of time for a lot of users. Also, same goes for the mobile developers. For example, if someone wants to make a piano applications, so they can get the help from Deepseek and they can get the code and they can do a lot of things. Okay, this is most important because we will make piano application in this course. We will make calculator, we will make software as a service, for example PNG to PDF converter, PDF to PNG converter, and a lot of things we will do. I'm going to share the ideas with you guys. You guys can do a lot of things, but this is the most important part. Okay, number 5, the advanced things you can do with Deepseek. So for example, you can prepare for interviews, you can do in-depth research regarding the company. For example, you can do the audits and you can share the problems with the company. Also give the solutions to them, why you are the right candidate. You can do a lot of things with Deepseek. You guys can also make your own AI models regarding any industry. You can also make something like Deepseek using Deepseek. Not that much 100% perfect, but some kind of related to that. Also, you can enhance the feature using and getting the ideas from the chatbots. You can also get the help regarding advanced data analytics with Deepseek. You can give the data and you can ask for the solutions and reports and a lot of things you can do in Deepseek. Well, I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys got some more ideas what type of things you can do with Deepseek. If you guys have any kind of queries, any kind of questions, you guys can just ask in question answer section. I will just try to respond to them as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm just trying to share the pros and cons of Deepseek. One of the best features Deepseek have is the Deep Think Carbon model. When you enable that model and give the data in the form of prompt, what it will do, Deepseek will just try to think to solve the problems according to the data that you have given in the form of prompt. For example, I'm just asking what is Janus Pro. So now you can see this is the thinking process. This is the response that we got. Okay. But there's one feature that Deepseek cannot do, which is image generation. It can extract the text from the image and it can give you the data. It can analyze the text from the image, but it cannot generate images currently. But there's one option if you want to generate images. There's another model of Deepseek, which is Deepseek Janus Pro. With that model, you can generate images with Deepseek, but it is currently not available here. But if you compare this with the other AI tools currently, and they have that feature, but when they were new, they did not have that feature. But I hope so Deepseek will enable that. But you guys can generate images with Deepseek Janus Pro model. It can also extract text from here. For example, I'm giving the text to this website. Okay, explain this image and give me prompt. So now you can see we got the prompt here. Okay, same copy this. Now try to upload the image here. Currently it's giving the error, I don't know why. But when you upload image and ask for the prompt, Deepseek will also give you the prompt. So for example, I'm just giving the prompt here and make image with this. This is the image generation process, but let's try this one. Make image with this. Okay, the server is busy, but it will give you the response when you try again. Well, here you can see we got the image generated from other AI tools. Well, there's one more thing, which is the pricing and models. I'm not here to tell you guys to just go and buy that. No, I'm not doing this here. I'm just trying to share these things with you guys. You guys can just test these APIs and other models. So this is the price comparison. Well, that's all from this video. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys have any kind of queries, any kind of questions, you guys can just ask in question answer section and I will just try to respond to them as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one. Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, we will start to make our first project using Deepseek and it will be a calculator. Well, so for that, I'm going to share this prompt file with you guys. You will find this prompt file in the resources section of this class. So first, I'm going to copy this prompt and I'm going to paste it here. Help me build an calculator application. Make sure all features works perfectly, especially the percentage feature. Use HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Give the code in a single file. So let's go. Make sure to enable the DeepThink R1 model and let's go. Let's start coding. Okay, these are the features that are available in this project. Click on this run HTML and here you can see our calculator application is ready. Let's try it. Plus 6 minus 82 multiplied by 6. Okay, 100 minus 90%. It's working perfectly. Well, the most annoying thing is the UI design, or I don't like the UI design of this program. So I just explored some UI design inspiration. So I'm going to start with this one. I'm going to copy this image, go to the ChatGPT, paste the image, type explain UI design and give me prompt in a single paragraph. Copy the prompt. Okay, now tells the Deepseek that you don't like the UI design. Here you can see it tests the improvement features. Now let's check the code. Okay. Nice. So I'm just going to copy this and I just want to view it in a full screen. For that, you need to just go on codeviewit.com and just paste the code, preview, click the full screen button. I like this design and I just want 3D effects in it. Everything is perfect. Okay, but just need the 3D effects. Plus 5, it's working perfect. Well, let's check the percentage feature. 100 minus 90%. Sorry. It's working perfectly. I'm pretty happy with the UI design. I just need the 3D version of it. So let's try it. Excellent work with UI design. So I'm going to test the Deepseek that I'm very happy with the UI design, but can you make it in a 3D style? Let's check. Let's check the updated code. I hope that UI design was not changed. Let's check it. Okay. Oh, nice. Let's copy it. Update it here. Check it in the full screen. I'm happy with the black theme version, but I'm not happy with this light theme version. But overall, it's totally fine. Well, now the question is that how to save this file into the local computer. Okay. Now just open the notepad, copy the code and paste it here. Save it in calculator.html. Okay. Go to the desktop. Here it is. And there we go. And now you can see it is running all from our local computer. So there we go. Check the features. 100 minus 20%. It's working perfectly. Plus 6. Okay, so that's how you guys can make calculator application without any coding knowledge and UI designing knowledge. These are just basic application modules and basic projects that we are doing right now with Deepseek application. Well, you guys can also enhance more features by providing more details to Deepseek and get the updated codes. I hope you guys love this video and learned something new. And that's all from this video. If you guys have any kind of queries, any kind of questions, you guys can just ask in question answer section. I will just try to respond to them as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, we will make application regarding piano. So for that, I'm going to share this prompt file with you guys. You just need to copy this prompt, piano application prompt, and paste it here on Deepseek, and make sure the DeepThink R1 model is active. So now it's coding the project. The program is ready. Here are the features. Okay, click on this run HTML. Okay. Increase it. Decrease this. Well, I don't like the UI design, so I'm just asking Deepseek to change the UI design. Please change. Well, I'm just asking Deepseek to change the UI design into something luxury black and gold theme, and also make sure it must need to be more elegant. And please change the sound tone. I don't like the sound tones, and make it more realistic and decent in tunes by piano. So let's go. It's updating the code. Okay, let's check the improved features. Click on this to run HTML. Nice. Copy this code. Go to the codeview.com, paste the code, preview, full screen, click. So now let's check. And to save this program in your device, go to the Deepseek, copy the code, open Notepad, paste it here, save it, piano application and HTML. There we go. Now open this and you can see it is currently running on our local computer. Also, to get more features, you can copy the screenshot and go to the ChatGPT. Okay. Paste the screenshot and tells the ChatGPT that you have created this app. After pasting the screenshot, I am going to tell the ChatGPT that I have created this app in HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and I want some more suggestions for new features to make it decent. I like this one, okay, and this one. You guys can add these features. You can ask Deepseek to add these types of features. Well, that's it from this video. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys have any kind of queries, any kind of questions, you guys can just ask in question answer section. I will just try to respond to them as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, we will make game design using Deepseek. So for that, I'm going to copy this prompt. I'm going to share this file with you guys and paste it here. I'm just telling the Deepseek that create a puzzle game where a duck must navigate through a maze-like pond to find its way out. The game design should be built using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and the entire code should be contained within a single file. And make sure the DeepThink R1 model is enabled. Okay, now it's coding the program. Okay, the project is ready. Let's check the game. Click on this run HTML. Well, I don't like the UI design, but the game is working. I think the game is working perfectly. Let's check it. Yes. Restart the game. Okay. Now I just want the UI design to be updated. Okay. So let's copy this prompt, this one, and paste it here. Okay, first check the improvements. The key modern design improvements are available. Rich gradient background with deep purple and crimson stones, 3D perspective effects on the maze, gold metallic walls, glass morphism container with the backdrop pillar. Okay, let's check it. Not bad. Not bad, man. So yeah, it's pretty much got improved. Perfect. Now I'm okay with the game design and UI design. Everything is working perfect. Can you add 2 levels in this game? I just want to confirm that when we complete the first level, does it show the button to start the next level, or it gives the error? But if it gives the error, then we just tells the Deepseek that you have to fix that. Now let's check it. No, it's not working. Let's take a screenshot. You messed up everything. Okay, let's check it now. Yes, it's working, but the 3D effect was removed. Let's check it. Completed the game. Next challenge. Okay, it's working. Damn. Okay, let's try this side. Perfect. Wow. Let's copy this code and just check it here in the full screen size. Nice. The glass effect is also added. Perfect, man. When you click on the new challenge, the level design is updating. Okay. So now I'm going to copy the code and paste it here and just saving it in .game.html. And there we go. Let's open this. Now it's working on our local system. Let's check it. Yes, it's working perfectly. That's it. This is how you guys can develop game using Deepseek without any coding knowledge. And I hope you guys like this video. If you guys have any kind of queries, any kind of questions, you guys can just ask in question answer section. I will just try to respond to them as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, we will try to make a project regarding map. You can say that it's a database project in which we will just try to analyze or read the data using Deepseek. I'm just trying to get the data of most 20 visited cities in the world. I'm just trying to make the map using Deepseek. For making this project, you guys will find this prompt file, and I have shared that prompt file earlier with you guys. Also, you can find that file in this class resources section. Just copy this map prompt, okay? Paste it here. Now let's just read the prompt that we are giving to Deepseek for making the project. I want to plot the most 20 visited cities in the world on an interactive map. Clicking on the point should display the name of the city, its rank, and number of visitors. I'll be using Python in Google Colab for this. Just leave it right now. Click enter. The code is ready. Now you can see there are 3 or 4 different codes. So now if you don't have any technical coding knowledge, you will find it difficult, but don't be worried. Click on this plus icon to make a new tab. Click on this and click on this Google Drive option. Now click on My Drives. Click right mouse click on this more, click to connect more apps and search Google Colab. This is the application that you need to install in Google Drive. Sign in via Google account. Continue. I have just made the demo Google account for that. Perfect. It has been installed. Now, right mouse click on more. Make the file with Google Collabority. Okay. It's an online editor. So now I'm going to copy this code and I'm going to paste it here and click to run this. What it will do, it will just download the libraries that are required to make this project. Okay, the libraries are downloaded and installed. Now copy this second code and click here to add new code. Okay, paste the code and run it. Okay, now copy the third code. Okay, another code editor, paste the code, click to run, and there we go. The project is ready. Okay, you can also zoom in to check the map. It's working perfectly. Here you can find the city is the Bangkok and the visitors there are 22 million. It is ranking on the number 1. Okay, but I don't like this one right now. I need the data of at least 5 cities that are most visited, and I just want to categorize all these by section. So 5 most visited cities and 5 least visited cities. So just go to the project prompts, copy this second prompt and paste it here and read the prompt that we are giving. I like to color the markers based on the ranks 1-5 in the red, 6-10 in the blue, 11-15 in the green, and 16-20 in the purple. Please display a legend for this color coding in the lower right corner. You will find that legend section. Now it's updating the code. Okay, now copy the new code. Go to the Google Colab, add new code and paste the code and click to run. Now you can see here are the legend section, but the red color pins are the most top visited cities. Number 1 is the Singapore, number 5 is the Singapore, 4 is the Dubai, second is the Paris, and third is the London, first is the Bangkok. Also the least are with the purple, so it's Bali, Osaka, Palma de Mallorca. Okay, so this is the project that we have created online using the Python, and it's running on the online Google Colab editor, and we still did not download and run Deepseek locally on our computer. We will do that later. Also, we still did not download the Python in our computer, and also we did not download any visual code editor in our computer, local computer. So now let's coming back to the map. I still want to play more with the colors in this map. So I'm going to give the prompt number 3 to Deepseek. Okay, paste the prompt. Everything is working perfect. Okay, could you make the design more modern with a luxury black and gold theme? Also, please make the pin icons for the location in pure gold with the 3D effects. Okay, 3D shining effect. Click enter. Okay, it says that Folium does not natively support 3D shining effects, but we can use custom icon with a gold color and add a shadow effects to give it 3D look like. Okay, let's try. Okay, let's copy the code. Go to this Google Colab option, add another code of section, paste the code, click run. Wow, look at that. But there is one error. Look at the legend section. It does not align perfectly. Also, the gold pin icons are available for all locations. So I made the mistake in the prompt regarding the pin locations icon in the gold. Okay, so let's copy again this second prompt, paste it here and type, please change the pin colors according to it. Hit enter. Okay, let's copy the code again and add another section of the code, paste the code and click run. Now it's working perfectly, but the legend section is still did not fixed. So let's check the map. I've been to Dubai a few years ago. So let's find the area. Okay, this was the area I was living. Also the Abu Dhabi, there was a Cornish beach. Let's zoom out. And there we go, Abu Dhabi. Here's the Cornish beach area. Okay. So yeah, it's working perfectly. Also, if you don't like the dark theme, you can use this light theme option. You can also change the themes. So that's how you guys can make the map project using Deepseek and get the code in the Python, and also you can utilize that code in the online editor Google Colab. Also, you can change the name of the project. Okay. Now there's one more thing. This project is working online. It is running online on Google Colab. But how to run this project locally on our computer? Because it is not just like a JavaScript that you copy the code and paste it here in the notepad and start working. No, you need the libraries, especially this library. The Panda Folium libraries. You need that. Well, in the next class, I'm going to teach you guys how to run this project locally on your computer using Python. And that's all from this video. I hope you guys loved this video and learned something new. If you guys have any kind of queries, any kind of questions, you guys can just ask in question answer section. I will just try to respond them as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to run this project locally on your computer. So for that, I need to download some stuff from internet. First of all, we need to download Python language module. Go to the Google, type Python and click on this download button. You can see I'm using the Windows version, so I can download the latest version for Windows. Also, if you run the Macintosh operating system or Linux and other operating system, you can go to those link and download that for your computer. I'm going to download this from here. Okay, open, install it. Okay, the setup has been installed. Close. Now I need the Microsoft Visual Studio, or you can use the Jupyter Notebook. Both are really good. So I am going to download this Microsoft Visual Studio. Okay, download it. It's Microsoft Visual Studio Code. Click to open. There we go. I set the terms and conditions. You can read it. Next. Okay, next. Create the desktop icon. Okay, next, install. Do not launch it. Finish. Now go to the Google Colab and we have made that project. Okay, click on the file, click on the download and click to download this in .ipynb format. After that, open that file that you have downloaded. Double click. It will open the file in the Microsoft Visual Studio Code. There we go. You can see same code. Okay. Now I just want to start this to download the libraries. You can see. Okay. After that, click to run this. Click to run this code too. So now you can see this project is working on our system. So that's all from this video. This is how you guys can run the Python projects locally on your computer by using Microsoft Visual Studio Code. And I hope you guys like this video and learned something new. If you guys have any kind of queries, any kind of questions, you guys can just ask in question answer section. I will just try to respond to them as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one. Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, we will try to make a software as a service application. And it will be just a basic application and I will not integrate the payment method in that. I'm just here to teach you how to make that without any coding knowledge with the help of Deepseek. Okay, so for that I'm going to copy this prompt, okay, and paste it here and enable the Deepseek Carbon model. It says that help me build an advanced .jpeg to .webp converter. Use languages that are required. Give the code in a single file. Here are the functions that I required in the software. So number one is the core functionality, image conversion. The primary function of the application is to convert JPEG images into WebP format. Image compressions allow user to adjust the compression level to control the quality and the size and output of the image. Okay. User interface is the theme that I tried to get the style from ChatGPT. Okay. It's kind of dark theme, looks like a luxury and minimal. And the additional feature is the batch conversion. If I want to upload multiple files, I just want that application to convert all the files. And there must be a setting panels from which I can just adjust the ratio of the compression. It's 50%, 100%, 30%. Also, there must be the back button if the user want to change the file directory for compression. If also there was a not back button, there was a button. And there must be back button for minimizing the setting panel. Just add the full stop. Make sure the file compression features works perfectly, especially add the convert button to convert the file and show the progress while converting, while the file is converting. Okay, now just hit the enter. Okay, now the Deepseek module is thinking. Batch conversion, okay, the setting panels. Now it is thinking about the structure of the code. It's writing the code right now in the Python. Okay, it's write the program. So this is the Python code and this is the required package. So copy this and click on this Windows icon, type cmd and open that. Now paste this one, okay, paste it here and hit enter. What it will do, it will download the library and the required stuff. Make sure that you have downloaded and installed the Python language from the website. Okay. After that, I am going to copy this Python code. Okay. Click on this notepad, paste the code, save the file, and give it the name webpconverter.py and click all the files and save it here, desktop. Close this. Here we got the file. Copy the file, go to the My Computer option. Okay. Click on C drive, especially that drive in which you have installed the window. Open the user folders. Okay. And select the user that in which you are right now and paste that file. Okay. Now copy the name of this file, go to the command prompt, paste the name, type .py. Okay. And hit enter. Look at this. This is the software that we have created. Okay, here's the compression level button. Okay, click here to open the file. Let's check this file. Select the setting option. Click on the browser to select the folder for the output files. Okay, I'm selecting the desktop. I want the conversion rate to be 100% and click the convert. Okay, the file is converted. Let's check. Okay, it is in the .webp format and here's the quality. Let's check the size of the file. 179 KB and the original file was in JPEG format. I think it's around half MB. Yes, it is around 4.14 KB. Well, this is how you guys can make software as the service application. This design is very basic. This needs a lot of improvement, especially the button here, the select file button, and also the UI is very basic, but overall it's fine. Without coding knowledge you are developing it. We currently just open this from the command prompt, but how to use that code in Visual Studio? So for that I am going to open the Visual Studio code. Okay, create the new file here. By the way, you can change the theme. Click here, go to the themes, color theme, and change the theme to this one. Okay, I like this theme. Click here to create a new file. It will be a text file, Python or Jupyter file, but I'm going to select this Python file. And now go to the Deepseek. Okay, copy the code, paste it here and press Ctrl S to save it. Name the file and press enter. Now click here to run this program, and there we go. Same method that we just did via command prompt is now with the Visual Studio. Well, that's it from this video. You guys can do a lot of things. You guys can make JPEG to PNG converter, PNG to JPEG converter, PNG to PDF converter, PDF compressor, and a lot of stuff you can do. And this is very basic video for you guys, and I hope you guys like this video. Well, that's all from this video. I hope you guys learned something new, and if you guys have any kind of queries, any kind of questions, you guys can just ask in question answer section. I will just try to respond to them as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.